How's everybody doing today, Keto family? Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Tuna Salad sandwiches from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. And don't forget to check the description of this video. You'll see the recipe along with the directions on how to make this incredible keto sandwich. This video was suggested by one of my longtime subscribers, Natalia Neidhart. Thank you, Natalia, for being a long-time subscriber. This is for you and everyone else around the world. And if you have a video recommendation, leave it in the comment section down below. If it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it and give you credit right in that video. All right, so let me show you how to make these right now. All right, we're gonna start off with 2 cans of tuna, 2 stalks of celery, finely chopped up, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, a tablespoon of pickle juice, and a variety of seasonings. For the bread, we're using chaffle buns. If you want the recipe to the chaffle buns, I'll link it above. All right, we're going to start by mixing these into a large mixing bowl. This particular tuna has extra virgin olive oil and lemon dill. Mix until combined. All right, we'll add our seasonings. We have some real salt, some onion and garlic powder, and some cracked black pepper. And mix once more. All right, it's been evenly combined. Now we're going to add this onto our chaffle buns here. Now these chaffles are already pre-sliced, so what we're going to do is just reverse the buns just like that and place the mixture in the middle. Put about a tablespoon and a half. Perfect. You could do it the other way too if you like, but I like to have it like this. Now for a taste test. Keto tuna salad sandwiches. These look amazing. That is really good. Tastes just like a tuna salad sandwich. I'm gonna try this one too with the chaffle buns in the traditional way. I like them both ways. If you like it a little bit crunchier, you should have your chaffle buns like this. If you like it a little bit softer, then definitely put them on top. And as you can see, I like to slice my chaffles right down the middle, right in half, with a very sharp knife, so you don't have a lot of bread. But this is delicious, absolutely amazing. Fast, easy, simple to do, and you can whip it up in a matter of no time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you can enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troyce signing out.